This is number 30, rhythm wrap. So we're going to do some shadow bowing, which if you've watched any of my shadow bows before, you know I lightly hold over here, and my right hand is the only hand that's moving. This one just lets the stick move into through the fingers. All right, so this is trying to trick you a little bit. Each note happens on a beat, but these are different notes. Some are quarters and some are eighths with an eighth note rest. So they still happen on the beat, but there's more space between the eighth notes because of the eighth note rests. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3.